Welcome to BEARKY Bag Factory. We craft custom bags for your brand. Meet our team, all ensuring top service for your products. Let us go to our sample room. Our design team works to bring your brand's vision to life. We create product prototypes based on your designs. Once the design is finalized, we use precision machines to cut the paper model and store it in a document folder for physical records, followed by laser cutting for the fabric. Our sample makers then match the materials to the paper template and carefully sew each piece step by step according to the design requirements. Let's step into the production workshop. With around 100 skilled workers, we handle various stages of production using specialized machines, including an automatic zipper cutting machine, skiving machine, adhesive spraying machine, riveting machine, Bartacking machine, computerized pattern sewing machine, DIY automated, semi-automatic compound feed sewing machine, bone binding machine, post-bed sewing machine. High-end products use a reinforced two-step stitching process, making them stronger than those finished in a single step. Finally, let's talk about quality control. Each product passes at least 5 checks, with a final full inspection before packaging. We also offer custom packaging. UPC code stickers are free. Quality matters. Stay tuned with BEARKY for more production insights.